Alright guys, so today we're going to install the fog lights on the Titan, which will replace the caps down there. Yeah, so we're going to replace those with these LED cubes that Nick sells. This information's here. But they are these cubes and then these spacers that were like that. I wanted to try and find 3-inch washers for them, but I couldn't, so I think the 2-inch will work. But yeah, it's a whole plug-and-play setup that he sells, so we'll go ahead and get started on that. So I was going to get the little fog light fillers powder coated, but I just grabbed some of the bed liner that I had, just sprayed that on. So we'll just do that. It's just quicker and easier. Alright, so we just had to run the Ace to get longer screws for these, because these were the ones in the kit. Not that you can see them, but they're way too small. They're not long enough for the spacer, so we'll go ahead and start installing these now. Mother! I keep dropping shit.
Son of a building block. It's wooden. From the tire.
Alright, now that I've dropped every single freaking thing that we need, is that kind of straight?
It looks kind of straight. Feels like it's in there.
That looks like shit. Alright, so the fog lights are in. That's the finished product. I mounted them like this. I ended up drilling a hole right here. Put the bracket at a 90-degree angle. Put them down this way. And then it's a plug-and-play setup, and then I just zip tied it up out of the way. So yeah, we'll see if they work. Alright, so in order for the fog lights to work, you have to turn on the headlights and the fog lights. And they appear to be working. Might do a night shot later on and see how they are in the dark. Hopefully they're kind of pointing in the right direction. I think this one's up a little high, but we'll see. Alright guys, so it is the next day. It's kind of getting a little dark out here, so I wanted to show you guys what the fog lights actually look like in the dusk, I guess. So I'll go ahead and turn them on for you. Alright, so I drove the truck around last night, drove it down to Melbourne with the fogs on the entire way. Nobody flashed at me, which I guess is a good thing, so they're not that bright. But they do help visibility wise, especially with like street signs and stuff. But yeah, this is what they look like. Yeah, they're pretty bright. I like them. They turned out pretty nice. So yeah, I think it's definitely worth an upgrade for any of the Titan guys. So thanks everybody for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and we'll try and get us up to 1,000 subs so we can get our monetization back. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of them in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.